couple of days ago, I headed out into the forest, the river valley just past Sundre with this tiny human Heidi. We harvested some evergreen tips, boiled them down while we were still in the forest, and brought that boiled water home. Mixed it with equal parts honey and the water that we had boiled down from the tips. And here comes the final product. As with all natural methods, I say a measure of balance is in order. So I'm not saying don't go to the doctor, don't take prescribed medication, anything like that. But I do believe that there are benefits to be derived from things that we can gather and make ourselves.